Red blazer, gold chain, feeling so sweet. Got that caramel nugget, can't be beat.
So what do you think of the new flavor?
It's interesting.
From our headquarters here, our state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of these delicious nougat centers every hour.
After the cocoa powder is measured, it enters the conching machine. This critical step, known as conching milk chocolate,
The first step is introducing the core ingredients. Here, thousands of freshly roasted peanuts begin their journey on the conveyor system. The journey begins as the finest blanched peanuts are sorted and graded by our high-speed machinery before a trip to the convection roaster.
The mixture is heated precisely until it reaches 250.3 degrees, ensuring the perfect consistency for the caramel.
Here we see the orange syrup bubbling where mechanical arms slowly churn the nougat base into thick ribbons.
The vanilla extract is carefully measured before being added to the mix. The agitators then blend the mixture,
Once poured, the thick amber liquid is transferred to large stainless steel vats for the churning process.
After mixing, the thick, lumpy nougat travels down the line, ready for the extrusion process, where it is folded into perfect layers.
The thick, viscous nougat is carefully deposited into molds. A laser ensures the precise alignment and filling level of each tray.
The process begins with the churning of the thick caramel paste. It then moves to the conveyor, where specialized roll
The process begins with our signature dark liquid, churned until smooth. Then, the light tan
The cutting machine uses a high-speed guillotine to slice the continuous slabs into uniform rectangular bars.
Girls. The chocolate undergoes careful tempering here, a vital step that stabilizes the cocoa butter crystals.
The process begins as the rich, glossy caramel is churned, then poured over the endless rows of nougat and nuts.
The secret to our smooth texture is the enrober, bathing each nougat and caramel bar in a thick, velvety curtain of chocolate before the cooling process.